Feels so good. Things are turning green again. I'm just so happy. We're going to be working on the farm a little bit today, so I want to give you a little tour what's going on here at the farm. And I have something really awesome to show you, a hidden treasure. Here are my potatoes in the bag. Check those out. They are doing so good. They're doing really, really good. I'm kind of curious how they will turn out and how many potatoes I can get out of this, really. So I'm excited. And my mums are coming back that I had planted. And my bushes I had to take out the greenhouse. So, and I don't think some of my grapes are going to make any well. I mean, I'm doing really good. So my flowers are coming back. And my little berry bush is coming too. So that's great. But all my daffodils are all pretty much all gone. And we're getting to work on the greenhouse here very soon. Here's Gizmo. He's just loved being here at the farm, running around and exploring things, chasing things. He just really loves it. So I have not found any more rare mushrooms yet. I've been trying to look for them, but so far I had no luck. So, but I'm very hopeful still that I can still find some. So I'm gonna keep my eye open. We have been working over here in this area right over here. We have been cleaning out the area for to planting some more fruit trees and bushes and everything. So that's our goal here in the near future. We have quite a few trees we're wanting to plant, and we're just kind of like, where are we going to put them? So we talked about it, and this would be a great area to do so. And that's also on the list to come here very soon. If y'all remember a while back, we have been cleaning out this area right here for my chickens, and it was doing real good. And then we got these really bad storms, and there's that one big tree right there fell over and got knocked down, and another one over there too. And I don't know if y'all can see that one right behind back this area too is a really big tree, and there are really beautiful shade trees, and we have lost those. But we have to clean all this up and clean up the chicken area, because we're hoping maybe this year or maybe next year to move over, and my chickens will have to have a place to stay. So this is going to have to be all cleaned up, but I'm so looking forward to moving over here and getting things started to go forward with our chicken. So we're going to be working on the sawmill for a little bit here in just a minute. And now we're going to build, cut some boards for my race boxes. I have been learning a lot about things we thought that was like weeds and stuff like that, and mushrooms and stuff. And I have bought a lot of books. We just don't know what's going to happen, and what if we cannot get the medicine that we need, or what if we can get an antibiotic, whatever it is. So I have been trying to learn about certain things. I was actually really surprised, because I thought my whole life, well, it's just a weed, but it isn't. God's given us all the resources that we need to be okay, and we just have to look and stop and take the time to really look around. But let me show you what I have found. Check this out. Y'all know what this is? I have 4 of those growing here on the farm that I have found, and I'm planning on replanting those close to the greenhouse. But this is a mullein, and you actually can make medicine out of this. Mullein is being used for a pain medicine, and I'm really looking forward to start working with this and making my own tinctures and everything. But check this out, isn't that pretty? They get pretty tall, and they have yellow flowers. So before, I would thought that was just a weed, and the leaves are really, really soft. But this is one of them. Let me show you the other one. And here's the other one right here. It's like a little smaller one. So yeah, I'm really, really excited finding these mulleins on the property, and I have found, I think, 4 of them 4 or 5 of them that popped up here and there. So, but yeah, Tony said, oh, it's just weeds. I said, no, this is actually medicine. So, and here's a real small one right here. I don't know if y'all can see it right here. Check it out. So this is 3, and here's number 4 that I found. And who would have thought we almost had the bucket sitting on it? Check it out. And that's also a very good size of mullein. So I'm going to be digging those up, and hopefully they make it. I don't know. I really don't know if you can really replant those. So I'm hoping that I can, but I have to make the area ready first where I'm going to plant them. So hopefully it will work. And all this right here, y'all think this is a weed too, but this is chickweed, and chickens love to eat this. Also, you can eat it yourself, and you put it in salad and stuff like that. So this is actually it's edible, and it's just crazy. The things that you have around you didn't know you had, and they're actually edible. You can eat the stuff. But my chickens really like this stuff, so. Check it out here. There are some turkey tails right here, but these are kind of older ones right here, and but they're like a velvety feel. And here are some brand, I would say they're new ones right here, and they are still pretty small though. But I'm gonna be collecting some turkey tails too, and you actually can put them in your food when you cook them and stuff like that, and they're actually very healthy for you. These right here, they're popping up everywhere. They produce a little berry, but if they're not ripe, they actually can hurt you. They're poisonous, so you have to cook them when the berries are ripe, and you can make actually jelly out of those. But yeah, they're growing up everywhere here too. Check this out right here. This real old tree, and this right here, you can make a antibiotic with this right here. So this is pretty neat. But I'm not quite ready yet to make my tinctures, but I'm excited to see what the woods will give me to work with. So this is really exciting. Dandelions is another one. The whole plant is edible, and there are so many things you can do with it, and also medicinal benefits on this one too. It's just pretty cool. Walking down the trail here, see if we can find any more rails around here. I'm kind of keeping out toward, see what we can find. I just love walking around in the woods here. It's so pretty and peaceful. And right in this area, right in here, we're planning on building a cabin. So that one is going to be really nice to have back here. And look, the surrounding of it. I mean, it's just so peaceful back here. I just really, really love it. Trees are doing really good. But I am afraid that my fig tree did not make it. How do you know if a fig tree is dead? I mean, it's really dry and very brittle. You can see it inside. There's nothing green left. So I think I might have lost this fig tree right here. And it kind of looks burned if you look really closely. So I really don't know what to think. So if you have any ideas, or if you think this is fig tree is, you know, let me know. Like I said, I really don't know very much about figs, so about fig trees. So, but I don't know. It just feels like it's dead. So here are our solar panels that we put up. If you want to see a more detailed video of it, you need to go check Tony's Tractors Adventure out on our other channel, and y'all can see the build that we put into putting these together. So, but let me show you potatoes. Tony has put those in the ground not too long ago, and they are coming up. Really exciting. And here they're coming up right here too. He used to use the bucket and put a pile of dirt together instead of doing manual labor, so it was kind of funny. But yes, they're coming up, and he also added some more back here, but he put them in a little bit later, so they're not showing yet. This is pretty much what's going on here at the farm, and I'll keep y'all updated what's going on here. I'm still working on my garden at the house. The chicken's keeping me pretty busy, and I do have another video coming up here very soon, and I need to show y'all something what happened at the house. I will talk to y'all later. See you soon. God bless y'all. Bye bye.